Dear students, before talking about our next chapter, let us talk about the homework which I have given you. The question was, identify whether the following sentences are assertive, interrogative, exclamatory, imperative. As you all can see, I have written the answers in front of the sentences. EX stands for exclamatory, IN stands for interrogative, AS stands for assertive, and IM stands for imperative sentence. Now let's see. First, what a great playwright Shakespeare was. As you all can see, the sentence is ending with the exclamatory mark, so it belongs to the category of exclamatory sentence. Second, have you read Shakespeare Tempest? Now, this sentence is asking a question and at the end there is one question mark. So, this belongs to the category of interrogative sentence. Third, it is one of the last play written by him. So, this belongs to the category of assertive sentence. Fourth, tell me the story in brief. This belongs to the category of imperative sentence. How we can conserve water? Now in this sentence, the sentence is asking some question and at the end question mark is there. So this belongs to the category of interrogative sentence. Look at the rainbow stretching across the sky. Now this kind of sentence is just telling us to see the rainbow in the sky. So it belongs to the category of imperative sentence. This made up of 7 colors. Now this sentence is giving us certain information. So this belongs to the category of assertive sentence. How hard working Indian people are. Now as you all can see, this sentence is ending with a exclamatory mark. So this belongs to the category of exclamatory sentences. Now let's move on to the next topic. Now let's start with the next topic, and the name of the topic is subject and predicate. Before talking about subject and predicate, let's recall our knowledge about sentence. So what is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. Okay? Basically, the group of words whose meaning is clear, that is known as sentence. Okay? Now 3 things we need to keep in mind while considering a group of words as sentence is, first, it should start with a capital letter. There should be presence of verb in that group of words. And the third, it should end with a exclamatory mark, full stop, or a question mark. Okay dear? Now let's talk about parts of sentence. Generally a sentence is made up of 2 parts. How many parts? 2 parts. First is subject and second is predicates. Now let's see their meanings. The first part of sentence that names what the sentence is about is called subject. Who or which does the action. So in simple words, subject is nothing. It is the topic of the sentence, the main topic of sentence, which tell us the action, by whom the action is being performed. Okay? By whom the action is being performed, or the group of words which is active in the sentence is known as subject. Clear? Now let us talk about predicate. The second part of sentence that says something about the subject is called predicate. Now basically a predicates tell us about the activity which is performed by the subject. For example, he is flying the kite. Now who is the doer of the action in this? He. So he is subject. What activity he is performing? He is flying the kite. So that come in the category of predicate. Now let's understand the meaning of subject and predicate more clearly with the help of examples. First, this book is very interesting. As I told you, when the subject from the sentence, we have to ask the certain questions like what or who. So, what is interesting? This book is very interesting. Second, children are playing in the park. Who is playing in the park? Children. Third, teacher is teaching in the class. So, who is teaching in the class? Teacher. The blue pen is lying in my bag. What is lying in my bag? The blue pen. So, these all the words which are written in red color need to be considered as subject because they are giving the answer of what and who. Now let's come to the next slide. As you all know that a sentence is being divided into 4 parts. How many parts? 4 parts. First is assertive, second is exclamatory, third is interrogative and fourth is imperative. Now let's understand how to pick up subjects in different kinds of sentences. Now first sentence is assertive sentence, identifying the subject in assertive sentence. So basically assertive sentence are those sentences which tell us about something, which gives us certain information, or they are simply statements. So it should give answer to the question what or who. So how you are going to pick up the sentence? By asking the question what or who. For example, first, going to bed late is not good. What is not good? Going to bed late. So this is the subject of this sentence. Second, the boy with the blue cap is the monitor. Who is the monitor? The boy with blue cap. So the boy is subject. In the heart of the forest lived a saint. Who lived in the heart of the forest is the saint. So a saint is subject. Ravi stood in the corner of the room. Who stood in the corner of the room? Ravi. So Ravi is the subject. Now the next sentence is interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence are those sentences which ask something and they end up with a question mark. So let's start. Have they brought the book? Who bought the book? They. So they is subject. Are you coming to the party? Who is coming to the party? You. So you is the subject. Does he like his new school? Who likes the school? He. So he is the subject. Is the tree shredding its leaf? Who is shredding the leaf? He. Tree. So tree is the subject. When do the kids want to go to bed? So about whom we are talking? Kids. So kids is the subject. Now let's move to the next slide. Now let us talk about exclamatory sentences. As you all know, exclamatory sentences are those sentences which tell us about feeling of a person and they ends with the exclamatory mark. So by asking question what, who, which will help us in finding the subject of this kind of sentences. For example, first one. What a beautiful picture is this? Now we are talking about what? Picture. So picture is a subject. How nice the kids are. Who are nice? Kids. So kids are the subject. What a stupid answer she gave. Who gave the stupid answer? She. So she is a subject. What a polluted city. So we are talking about what? City. So city is a subject. What a noise you make. Who make the noise? You. So you is the subject. I hope I am clear. Now next come to the next slide. Now let's talk about imperative sentences. Imperative sentences are those sentences which talk about advice, command, request. Sentences of order, request, advice are called imperative sentence. In these sentences, the hidden subject is always you. That means the you is not stated in the subject. The word you is not written or not mentioned in the subject. It is self-understood. Let's understand it more clearly with the help of example. Wait outside. Take this medicine every 4 hours. These sentences actually mean you must wait outside. You should take this medicine every hour. Okay? So you is not being mentioned over here. You have to understand that the main subject of imperative sentences is you. Now next come to the next slide. Now here comes the homework for you, my dear students. The exercise is underline the subject in the following sentence. You have to underline the main subject in each of the sentence. How you will do it? You are going to pause this video and you are going to write all the sentences in your rough copy. Then you are going to find out the main subject by asking question what, who, which, and let me know the correct answer in the next video. Thank you.